Stop.
Got some plants growing this summer? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth with Shyla, and we are going to show you how to make a garden spray. This spray will help deter insects from climbing up your plants.
Yay.
So here's what you'll need. First, subscribe to our Simply Earth box at simplyearth.com/box. Pull out your essential oil recipe box and grab your labels, your recipe card, and lemongrass essential oil, and your spray bottle. And that's all you need. Plus some water. So we're going to open our spray bottle, then we're going to fill the rest of our spray bottle up with water. You can use distilled water to improve the shelf life of your recipe, or regular water, just keep an eye on it. And add 2 drops of lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass has some natural chemical components that help repel insects. Then shake it, add a label, and spray your plants with it. If you want to make your recipe a weed deterrent, instead of adding water, add vinegar. And make sure to spray on only weeds or plants you don't want growing in your garden.
I'm gonna use that around my mulch around my house.
To get everything you need for this recipe and more, go to simplyearth.com/box.
Thanks for watching.
It might be
Singing that
fun,
too.
but whatever.
They can do what they want.